Good morning, students. I am Srimati A.V. Kedare, TGT English from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Pune. Today we are going to learn email, writing email. So, what is email? Do you know? Email is the fastest way and most common way of communication. It is eco-friendly way of communication. These days, the usage is most common. Many organizations avoid paperwork today. So, what is an email? An email or electronic mail is a system which enables us to convey our ideas or share our experiences with others. It is one of the fastest way of communication. It actually requires a click. Only it requires a click. And you send the mail and the person receives it on the other way. People require it as a sender and other person who is receiving it on the other hand. What you need is internet connection. What you need is only internet connection and email ID for that. You automatically receive the mail and whatever you want to say or convey to others is conveyed through email. It is not only shared in professional life, but it is also used in personal life. Emails are divided into two categories: formal email, formal and informal. Just like we do letter writing, formal and informal letters. In the same way, emails are also divided into two categories: formal and informal. So, how to write effective emails? Effective emailing. So, what is email? How to make an effective email? Few common email habits that cause problem. Structure of email, style, some other important aspects. Discussion. These are the topics of our lesson today of email. Text-based mail sent via the computer from one person to another. A push technology. It waits for you. It is one to many and almost free. It is free, dear students. How to make an effective email? Selecting your audience correctly, first point. Using distribution list, composing your messages, make the heading meaningful, keep each message short and clear. Your message should be very short and clear. Start each message by stating its purpose, context. Now the structure of email. So what is the structure of email? It is addressing, subject, message text, attachments and signature. Once again, structure of email, it is addressing, to whom it is addressed, then there is the subject of the email, what is to be sent in short, message, then message text, attachments and then signature. It is the address of the recipient, addressing. It is the address of the recipient. Use BCC to protect email addresses unless everyone knows each other. Then maintain address book. Subject, second point. Precise headline for the message. Makes easier to handle of an email. Avoid sending email with no subject. There should be subject. If you want to find your sent email, if the subject is there, you can find very easily. Then effective subject lines. So what are the effective subject lines? Party planning, meeting rescheduled for 3 p.m. Help, I can't find the draft for the Smith paper. Date. Reminder, peer review articles due to tomorrow. Questions about sociology, 210 projects. Congratulations to Jennifer for winning Nobel Prize, 4:21 p.m. So it indicates the time and date also. Now subject. Question about Smith paper was, please help with this. Change subject line when necessary. Subject. Forward. It is repeated. Reminder, deadline for spring semester is Jan. Remove extra email prefixes. You should remove extra email prefixes. You know prefixes very well. Suffixes and prefixes. It is prefixes. Now, how to maintain the message text? Keep the message focused and readable. The message should be focused and readable. Keep it short. You should keep the message short. It should not be too lengthy. Brevity and clarity. Use paragraphs. Break into paragraphs, skip lines between. Avoid fancy typefaces. Use these marks to highlight text if you must. Write in standard professional English with capitalization and correct spelling. Quote back using context. Identify yourself clearly to cold contacts. Hello, I am the reason I am writing. Hello, so and so suggested I contact you. This is the better email contact. This is the example. This is an example here. John, can you send me a list of the students included in the resume writing workshop by tomorrow? We may have forgotten to include all of the students who might benefit from this workshop. These are several groups of students at the School of Public Health that were not on your list. Sarah from the School of Public Health contacted me to ask if the students from the epidemiology program were on our list. I will send her that information tomorrow after I get the list from you. Thanks, Raquel. Now it comes attachment. See, this mark is there. If you want to attach some file, so this is the mark here. So use sparingly. If you want to attach some file, you can use this. There is a mark at the bottom. Cut and paste relevant parts of attachment into text of email. Use URL links instead. Upload attachment to website and site URL. This is the URL. Is a free service. Email signature. Email signature. Use an appropriate signature. Brief 4 to 5 lines. Informative. Provide all contact information. Professional. Do not include picture, quotes, animation here in the email. Do not include pictures, quotes, animations. Ways to manage email overload. Choose your service provider wisely. Do inbox check on a regular basis. You have to check your inbox on regular basis. Organize email into folders. Keep a copy of all sent email. if you want them in future. Review and clean out folders periodically. Okay, this is what in today's email writing. Thank you.